Inside of it, you'll see the 1 liter bottle that comes with it. Here we have 1 cap for the liter bottle, 2 feet of clear tubing, 2 drywall anchors, 2 screws, spray cap, push to connect, keys so we can open and close the machine, 12-volt power supply, last but not least, our product manual. Now we're going to show you with the keys that come with the machine, like so. Once you have it opened, you want to take out the liter bottle so you can pour in the oil so your machine will diffuse, like so. You'll unclip it. With a little guidance, you'll slide it out and then remove the atomizer from the liter bottle, like so. Then you'll go ahead and pour your liter of oil into the bottle. Again, replace the atomizer back on, close it, make sure you got it nice and firm. Slide it right back in. You want to make sure you have it in good. Place the clip back on. Here we have 2 options. If you're going wall mounted or standalone, we recommend using the spray cap. You just put it here at the top of the atomizer. Make sure you got it nice and secure. And then we want to get the fan up and running. You want to lift here. You want to hit the back button for 5 seconds. You'll see a little image on the display screen of a fan, and you'll also hear the fan itself kick on. To turn the fan off, you'll hold the back button for 5 seconds. You'll see the image go away. You'll hear the fan turn off. You go slide it down when you're done. The other option is to go HVAC. By connecting the push to connect to the top of the atomizer, like so. Earlier, we mentioned 2 feet of clear tubing. Here we have it. One end of it, we want to put securely into the push to connect. The other end would go into the ductwork past the AC handler. Keep in mind, you only want to cut what's needed to prevent any loops or kinks in the tube. That'll also help prevent excess oil. Finally, make sure that the hose is in the same direction as the airflow. For this example, we're going to program it to today's date, January 16th, 2018. The current time is 1:30 p.m. Keep in mind, these machines run on military time, so 1:30 p.m. is 13:30 in military time. So let's go ahead and turn on the machine. Using the power button on the side. Give it a minute. All right. Just so you know, on the top of the screen we have the days of the week. Here next to the W, that's the mist on time. Next to the P is the mist off time. Where here is the concentration level, the time, and the date. To change the time and the date, you want to hit the up and right arrow at the same time. You'll notice the hour starts to blink. So we want to change it by using the up arrow, and we want to take it to 13. With the right arrow, we'll move over to the minutes, and we'll go up to 30. With the right arrow, we can get down to the date. First is the year, then the month, and then the date. Let's go ahead and change that to 16. Once you have the settings the way you want them, you want to hit the ENT button to save your settings. Now we're going to program the hours of operation. For this example, we're going to program Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday will be 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and Sunday will be closed. Keep in mind, programming Monday can automatically program the whole week with the same settings. So let's go ahead. We want to hit the enter button and we're going to see the Mondays start to blink. If we hit the enter button again, the start time starts to blink. So using the up arrow, we're going to go ahead and change it to 9 a.m. We already have it on 9 a.m. in this example, so we're just going to go with the right arrow. It'll bounce over to the minutes. If we hit it one more time, it'll bounce over to the hour. So we want to put it, since it's military time, we want to put it on 1700. So we got to go up to get it to 17. All right, there we go. Now we want to hit the enter button to save it. Now we programmed Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So to change Saturday, hit the enter button. Monday starts to blink. Using the right arrow, you want to travel down the days of the week to Saturday. You hit the enter button. Now we're going to change the start time. Saturday is 10 a.m. So with the up arrow, change it to 10. Go over to the minutes with the right arrow. If you hit it again, we get to the stop time. And we want to have it at 1500 since it's military time. So let's go around. All right. We want to hit the enter button to save the settings. Okay. Now for Sunday, we hit the enter button. We got Monday blinking. With the right arrow, move down the days of the week. You get it on Sunday. Enter. The start time and the stop time, we want to program them to the same hour. Like that, the machine will never turn on. So with the right arrow, go ahead and move over to the stop time. And we're going to program it for 9 a.m. Same as the start time. Go ahead and hit the enter button to save it. And that's that. This machine comes with 15 standard concentration levels, which can be found in the product manual under oil consumption table. You can also program custom concentration levels. Now we're going to show you how to actually go ahead and program your standard concentration level or a custom concentration level. To program a custom concentration level, what you want to do is hold the up arrow for 5 seconds. You're going to see the screen change. We got the working time on top, the pause time on bottom. So with the right arrow, we want to program this for 15 seconds on. So with the right arrow, we'll move along, change it with the up arrow, move along again, the right arrow, change this to a 5. So we got it for working time, 15 seconds. With the right arrow, we'll move down to the pause time. And we're going to change it to 55 seconds off. So with the up arrow, we'll change it along. There, right arrow, change this to a 5. And we have this now at 15 seconds on, 55 seconds off. Notice the A here. That's what you want to look for when you set it as your concentration level. To save it, press enter. Now here we have it on concentration level 9. Again, in the product manual, you can see the exact pause time and work time in their oil consumption table. Let's go ahead and set it to A. We want to hit the enter button. We'll notice that the Monday blinks. If we hit the enter button again, we get to the start time. With the right arrow, we want to travel along from start time to stop time, and then we'll work our way to concentration level. Here we can change it with the up arrow, again, anywhere from 1 to 15, or if you've programmed a custom setting, next will be A. You go ahead and you press enter. If the A stays, you set it to the programming. That's that, folks.